Hello everyone, in this video lecture series we will discuss about C++ programming for beginners. This video lecture series will help you to learn C++ programming from very basic. So let's start our journey. What is the program? So program is a set of instructions that can be executed by the computer to perform a specific type of job. So what is the example of a program? So here is a basic example of a program. Program is add two numbers. So this is a very basic example of a program. Add two numbers. In case of adding two numbers, what is the instruction? The first instruction is we need to take two numbers from the user. The second one is add two numbers and store the result. And the end we need to show the result to the user. Then what is C++? C++ is a general purpose programming language and it's also a object oriented programming language. So what is object oriented programming language? Object oriented programming is programming paradigm based on the concept of object. So what to use C++? We can use C++ for Windows application or client server application. So let's start writing the first code in C++. In this video series, I will write C++ code and next video I will discuss in depth in the first Hello World program. So okay, I am using C++ compiler, online compiler program is. You can use that in your browser. So just let's start writing the code. Okay, so this is our basic Hello World program. We will discuss more about this program in our next video. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and please share this video with your friends. Thank you.